Tokyo Paralympics bronze medalist Sharat Kumar spoke to DD India exclusively. In an exclusive interaction, he said the bronze medal he won in men's high jump T63 is not less than a gold. Take a listen.
We have with us Sharat Kumar, who won bronze medal in high jump in Tokyo Paralympics. Sharat, many congratulations. And we have just come to know that the night before your event was a very tough night for you. How would you like to describe that night?
It was very, very terrible for me. I didn't have sleep that night before the event. So because first there was a COVID scare in the village, in the room, that someone's tested positive, so we might just be all quarantined and will not be able to participate also. That was one thing. Another thing was, like, just before the jumps, means I went to do my warm-ups one day before, and in that I ruptured my meniscus, and that was something which I never expected. It was like for 5 years of training abroad in a country like Ukraine, where there's nobody, nothing, and it's all deserted and all by myself there, and just going for a toss. I was just considering that what is this? What have I done wrong? Where did I go wrong here? I did everything. I took care of my diet, I took care of my sleep, I took care of my pattern, I took care of my training. I was crying all the time. I called up my mom, my dad, my brother and sister on a video call. I started crying. One of my friends, she had gifted me a Bhagavad Gita, saying that, just keep it with you. And I just told my parents that I have this, and said, just read that, I think it will help you. So, and the day I went for my competition, I was just happy, and I prayed to God and I said, thank you, God, for making me enter the arena and letting me take part in the event. And that was the first thing I actually did when I entered the arena. The thoughts of winning the medal was not there at all. Initially, a day before that, the thought of breaking the world record and winning a gold was always there in my mind before the injury. But then when I entered the arena, I was like, I'll perform with all my thoughts. I will go there, try to discard and give my best. And that's what I did. It was a nice thing.
It was also raining during your event. Do you think that makes your medal even more precious?
Oh yes, the rain was a spoiler. The fact that the rain, which I take my runner from the left, had more water than the guys who took on the right. The puddles were lesser there, which was very much dangerous. I use running spikes for high jump, which is very, very rare for athletes to do that. They use high jump spikes. So the high jump spikes usually helps you get a good grip, but I was using a running spike. So that was another danger that I had to. So basically I had to manage my pain. I have to see what was the gain looking at. It was just about the gain, what I was thinking there. I need to cross the height and give a nice performance to the people there. Everybody basically see, Paralympics is basically known for the high jump. T63 category high jump is the highlight event of Paralympic Games, because it has the most visibility of a person when they're performing high jump with the leg. So there's a lot of people, expectations are there. They want to watch it, the curiosity is there. And we are the ones that lead this pack. And I just want, let's give a good show to the people. And we tried, just not me, everybody, all the 9 competitors worked very well. That was the best part.
A lot has changed for India when it comes to these Olympics and these Paralympics. How do you look at the government support, especially Prime Minister spoke to the medalist after the event before you were leaving for Tokyo Paralympics. So how do you look at the government support?
The Prime Minister has been leading right from the start with, like the COVID situation also. I was in Ukraine. He did a video conference with me. I spoke to him for a while in the COVID time. That, imagine, the situation is so grave in the country. The whole country is under COVID structure. And the Prime Minister giving attention to the sports people, saying that, I'm worried about you guys. Are you okay? Just carry on doing with your trainings. Be sure that the government is going to be with you. Don't worry about it. And that is when it started for me, at least. So yeah, the one before the Olympic Games and the Paralympic Games also, the Prime Minister spoke to them. Yes, it was, of course, very, very motivating. I wasn't part of it. I felt bad about it. But then I made sure that I'm going to win a medal, come back, get my own time and space to speak to him. And that is one reason I actually wanted to perform.
About on the top scheme and the support that the athletes are getting from the government?
Yeah, the top scheme has been the backbone for me. I've been tops since 2015 until now, and they have been there, right there. Like the professional training, they made you feel that you're a professional athlete. You're just not a sports person or anything like that. You're a professional athlete. You're carrying your country's flag behind you. We are going to bring dignity to you, and the people are going to look onto you with dignity. And that's what they did. They changed the perception of the people looking at us. So yeah, I think we'll just try and carry on doing sports. And if the privileges and the send-offs and the felicitations are going to happen like how it's happening right now, by the government, I think, of course, that's going to motivate people to carry on, stay there, stuck up there, stay stuck up there.
Your personal target, any particular event that you're targeting next, any particular medal that you're targeting next, any particular mark that you are targeting next?
No, actually, I did that, and I'm feeling bad about it. I don't think that targets usually work. I think I'm going to just try and enjoy my game again, which I missed out. I was thinking that, it's about the win, about performing, it's about going all out and just being so, and not trying to enjoy the game. I missed out on that. I want to enjoy that and let me feel that this bronze may be a bronze to people, the gold is better, but this bronze has given me the freedom to now again come to sports and play freely, because then I'm sure that, I already have a medal. Don't worry about it. Initially it was a chase for a medal where I could be labeled a medalist Paralympian, and that is over now. So I think my game is going to get better. I'm going to enjoy that part. It's not going to be like in the performance wise, I'm not going to say that, but in my perception, like, I'm going to enjoy my real high jump now.
Thank you so much for talking to us. So Tokyo Paralympics bronze medalist Sharath Kumar, all he wants to do is trying to enjoy his game. He is not setting any mark for himself, and that is the most important thing for any athlete. You should play freely and enjoy your game. So Chitra, DD India, Delhi.